Good afternoon. I welcome you all the participants for 4th LIS Academy Conference 2021. I'm going to talk next 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to talk about open source research information management system. This is my presentation overview. What is the research information management system? How the research activity disseminated and shared in the academic environment. Challenges in managing research related information. Why we need research information management system in the institute level. Some of the open source research information management system I'm going to explain about, such as Vivo, Profile, DSpace, CRIS. What is the research information management system? The RIM is a web-based tool to consolidate the scholarly communication activities of faculty, scientists, as well as scholars. The system collects all the research-related attributes as well as artifact of faculty member, such as faculty affiliation, their project, funding related details, publications, patents, and citations. The system also facilitates to connect with the external source to automatically import publication and social media metrics. One of the major feature of research information management system is it should have the interoperability between internal as well as external system. The RIM also acts as a discovery tool to locate an expert based on the scholarly communication activities. How the research related activities disseminated and shared in the academic environment. In the organization level, most of the institute they may have their own institutional repository. Some of the institute they may have their own faculty profile system. There are preprint archive in the institute level, data repository, open access journal. For example, some university they may have their own journal publishing system. Then using that open access journal system, they used to bring more visibility to their particular journal. Then project management system. These are the places in the organization level they used to share the data about research related activities. In the national level expert database such as Vidwan, IRINS, fellow profile at professional association and societies such as INSA, NASI, they have their own profile. Their profile will be there in the national level. National level repositories, for example, Sodhunga is a national level repository of all the PhD theses by Indian scholars. Country specific digital library, union database. These are the places in the national level people used to disseminate their research related activities. The third one is publisher and service providers. Even the same journal, whatever a faculty published, it will be available in the publisher website, whether it's open access or closed access. Open and commercial data repositories, academic identity registries such as Archit ID, Google Scholar ID, citation databases such as Scopus, Web of Science, then Dimension. These are the places your research-related activities shared as well as disseminated. The challenges in managing the research information management system. The challenges in managing the research-related information. Changes in the publication citation and there is no uniformity. If you take any citation database, for example, if I want to check a particular institute publication, one database, the Scopus, it may show some number, Web of Science, it may show some other number, the Dimension, it may show some other number, the Google Scholar, it will show more numbers. There is no uniformity in the publication. There is no common place to showcase the scholarly communication activities. We are faculty member, they have to depend on different source to collect his own publication and other research related activities. In the institute level, we don't have any common place wherein it could collect all the research related activity of the faculty member. Faculty and their research contribution not having proper visibility. Even though faculty has published more number of articles in the institute level, there is no proper system to bring more visibility to the publication as well as other research, whatever he is doing. Hardly 0.5% of the higher education institution, they have institutional repository. All of you know, institutional repository, one of the tool to bring more visibility to your research related activities. In our country, out of 50,000 higher education institution, hardly 250 institute they have institutional repository. Remaining they don't have. There are various factors they don't have this institutional repository, but we can't discuss. But hardly 0.5% of the higher education institution they have this institutional repository. As a country, we are spending 2,000 to 3,000 crore for library resources. More than 80 to 85 percentage it goes to electronic resources. But even though we have these resources, it always available within the campus. Most of the publisher they are providing these electronic resources to the faculty member and scholar within the certain IP range or within the institute. They are not able to access the resources wherever it is possible. Then funding agency and policymaker for ranking or any kind of assessment, they always depends on some kind of third party data. If all the institute, they have their own research information management system with all their research related activities accumulated and disseminated in a proper way, as a nation, we can get huge data about our faculty member and as well as research related data. Why we need research information management system in the institute level? Academic as well as R&D organization, they have dispersed geographically. It is very difficult even within institute who are all expertise in a particular area. For example, I am from library science department. I want to set up a cloud for my library automation institutional repository. If I know somebody in the computer science department, their expertise in cloud computing, easily I can get in touch with them and get the things done. But since we don't have any system, it is very difficult for them. Find out facilities and research carried out within the university and across the university and department. Nowadays, students before coming to the institute, they want to know about what are the capabilities of the department, what are the capabilities of the faculty members, what are the facilities available, all those things they want to know about that before coming to the institute. It is organization responsibility to showcase all the research related activities and skills of the teacher, faculty member, scientist to the community, because most of the institute funded by the government, it is their responsibility to bring their research related data to the common public. To increase the funding opportunity for various research projects, if you have a research information management system in the institute level, even funding agency they can approach your faculty member based on their expertise, based on their skills. All those things it will bring more visibility as well as it will bring more funding opportunity to the faculty member. The same way, the institute have a research information management system. They can generate various reports based on the data available in their research information management system. This data could be used in the institute level as well as national level for various purposes. There are so many research information management system, commercial as well as open source. In my presentation, I'm going to talk about these three softwares. One is Vivo, second one is Profiles Research Networking Software, third one is DSpace Chris. Vivo is a faculty profile management system. They started in the year 2003. They started only for life science department at Cornell University for a simple faculty profile management system. In the year 2006 to 2008, the profile management system expanded to all the discipline within Cornell University. Even they have integrated with some kind of semantic technology. In the year 2009 to 2012, NIH, National Institute of Health, they provide some kind of funding support to develop a software and provide this software as an open source tool all the academic community all over the world. Even 6 to 7 institutes joined together. University of Florida, they were the leading university to develop this Vivo software. Since 2013 onwards, it became a community-based development and supported by DuraSpace. Now we can say LIRASys. Futures, it is a semantic-based research information management system. It has been integrated with so many ontologies like a friend-of-friend, subject knowledge organization system, biblio-ontology, vCard. They have integrated so many ontology. They are using standard vocabularies to define an area of expertise of the faculty member, such as Acrovac, GEMMET, LCHH, LCSH, UMLS to describe the area of expertise. It also supports open linked data such as RDF, D3, etc. There is a map of science facility wherein, based on faculty publication, the system automatically generate co-author network in which area he is expertise in. All those things it will generate. There are a temporal graph to compare the faculty member with other department, to compare department from another department or faculty from another faculty. Those kind of things we can do using the temporal graph. There is a capability map to identify a collaborator for multidisciplinary research. This is what it will be. Suppose before implementing Vivo, your profile will be something like that. I can show in the left side of my slide. If you implement Vivo, your same profile will get more enhanced features with your publication, citation, all those things it will bring. The graph shows that over a period of time, how many articles he has published with the publication count. They are using some of the standard vocabulary to define expertise of the faculty member. Even it will bring altimetrics, that is called social media metrics from different source. And co-author network, based on the publication, co-author, the system automatically generate a co-author. This is called the co-author network for the respective faculty member. This is called the map of science. The system, it shows that based on where you have published article, based on that it shows that which area the particular faculty is expertise in. This is a map of science for the institute level. It is not only faculty member. Once we create a profile using this Vivo software, it automatically generate faculty level, the map of science, department level as well as institute level. Even somebody want to know which area their expertise in, they can analyze their things. This is a right side, it's a temporal graph. It shows that suppose you want to compare a faculty member in the physics department, you want to compare 4 to 5 faculty member, or you want to compare a department, all those things you can do using this temporal graph. This capability map, suppose we want to do, funding agency want to fund for some multidisciplinary research. Here they can find out a person who is expertise in cloud computing. He also may be expertise in what is it called nanotechnology. Those kind of linking, those kind of collaboration, it will easily bring using this capability map. The second one is profile. Profile is they started developed in the year 2008. Profile research networking software developed under the supervision of Griffin Weber. He is a chief technology officer of Harvard Medical School, Harvard University. Here also profile they started only for that medical science school initially. Later, they have integrated with all the department. That means they have expanded the service to all the department. In the year 2010, they released as an open source tool so that entire scholarly community they can use this software. In the year 2012, they are also integrated the Vivo ontology. Vivo, they are using some kind of ontology to support a linked data. The year 2013, University of California, San Francisco, collaboration for further development and as well as promotions. Some of the major features: automatic publication, PubMed article and NIH grant import and name disambiguation. All of you know that one of the major difficult the faculty member faces that naming ambiguity. The faculty, they would have published in different other name. Even it is very difficult for them to get how many article published by him because he has published with a different name. The system automatically, there is a name disambiguation engine. Automatically it will find out who are all the even though they have a different name, the system automatically find which are the article published by the particular faculty member, which are the project he received from NIH. All those things it will do. That is called that automatic naming disambiguation engines. There is a data visualization tools. It will create a passive network such as top concept, who are all the co-author, who are all similar expert, same department, who are all faculty available, physical neighbor, all those information it used to provide. Then the concept cloud, concept category, it shows that based on where he has published more number of article, based on that it shows that which subject area he is expertise in. That is called that concept cloud, concept category. It has been integrated with Archit to synchronize publication and other research-related activities. Because all of you know about that, Archit is open researcher and contributor ID. They used to get all your publication through DOI. Nowadays, most of the faculty member they used to publish article with the Archit ID. Their Archit profile automatically get update based on the DOI. The same way, this profile also automatically synchronize their publication from the Archit repository. The system also integrated with Eagle Eye. Eagle Eye is a research resources management tool they have integrated. The system also support RDF, SPARQL, and linked open data. It also provides some kind of bibliometric analysis, such as journal report, article summary, all those things it will provide. Even they have developed open research and networking gadgets. For example, it is a kind of some kind of plugins. Suppose you have installed profile software in your institute, so many people they are developing these kind of plugins. You can use that plugin. For example, particular faculty member he has a PowerPoint presentation in the what is it called fixture. Yeah, automatically you can synchronize. Or faculty member having YouTube video, you automatically can synchronize. If the one time he has to connect his what is it called ID in the YouTube channel, then automatically whenever he publish a video, automatically it will come to his profile. That is called that they are using this open research networking gadget. They are getting all this data. This is a slide where you can see the profile. If you create a Harvard profile networking system, your profile will be looking like this. This most cited paper. These are all you can sort the publication based on various newly published article, old published article, most cited article. All those things you can do. This is called that field summary. Based on the publication, the system automatically generate the graph and shows that which area he has published more number of publication. Based on that, anybody want to know about the particular faculty member, which area he is expertise in, automatically it will create. The last one is DSpace quiz. Most of you know about that. You are all using this DSpace for your institutional repository or any other purposes. But University of in the year 2009, University of Hong Kong Libraries and Seneca together developed a DSpace CRIS, DSpace Current Research Information Management System, to extend the functionality of institutional repository. First they have started this project for Hong Kong Library. The project name is HKU Scholars Hub. In the year 2013, Seneca and HKU released a DSpace CRIS as an open source tool. Nowadays, anybody can download this software and you can use it. In the year since 2015, Forsigns became an incubator for the development of this software as well as promoting the software to the academic community. Some of the major features, it accommodates all the CRIS functionalities. For example, in your DSpace, suppose in your institute you have a DSpace, there you can upload only your article and article related metadata or full text article you can add, or you can come to know how many articles you have published. But they don't have any functionality like a cumulation for a particular faculty member, how many articles he has published, as a cumulative, how many citations he received from different sources. And then department wise, how many articles published, all the faculty member from the department, how many citations they received. These are all the major functionalities of this current research information management system. The DSpace CRIS, it will support all these functionalities. Then it also using that Solar based indexing system, so that even in whatever number you have the article data, whatever it may be, it will easily search and you will get a desired result. The system also allow aggregated view of item. For example, the department wise, faculty wise, how many articles they have published, how many citations they received, how many time it is discussed in the social media. All those things we can do the aggregation. But wherein the DSpace, those functionalities not there. The system allow the researcher to curate the profile and connect with the Archit ID. Same like a profile. The system also, it has been integrated with Archit ID to synchronize the publication. Even it is not only that one-way publication, two-way. For example, you can synchronize your publication from the Archit ID. Same way you can push your publication from your institutional repository to Archit ID. There is a duplication engine. It automatically find a duplicate and support the faculty member to remove the duplicate article or merge the duplicate article as a one. Those kind of features also available in the DSpace CRIS. The conclusion, the librarian not simply a custodian of library resources. They can do innovative services to facilitate these kind of infrastructure, or they can create their own research information management system to support a faculty member to collect all the research related activities. There are huge opportunities nowadays in the recent era, last 10 years, due to the advent of IT. The librarian have a huge opportunity to expand their services such as research information management system, research management system, data analytics services. These are the new area the librarian, they can learn more things on this area and provide better service to their scholarly community. Nowadays, this publication, most of the publication publicly available. Earlier, we have to depend on some of the commercial citation databases. Nowadays, these citation related metadata publicly available in so many places. For example, Microsoft Academic Search, Google Scholar, so many places this data publicly available. Then Archit also there every year they are providing this data as a data dump. As a librarian, we can learn some kind of data analytics tool and get all this data. We can create our own dashboard about our faculty member, publication, citation, all those things. We can create our own publication, this kind of research information management system as well as dashboard. If you create all those things, even you can provide a support to the IQAC center or whenever funding agency policymaker they ask data about the faculty member, easily collect from this research information management system and you can provide wherever it is possible. I have completed my presentation. I hope you have enjoyed listening this presentation. Thank you.